Good morning, dear friends. As you know, I am going to teach you the subject name Core Java for BCCA Part 2 4th Sem. Yesterday, in my video lecture, you learn about the simple structure of Java programming. Now, today we focused on the main part of Java programming structure or structure of the Java programming. When we design the standalone application or application programming in Java, then the structure of Java programming, the essential part, it is nothing but the class definition where we define the main function. So for that we have to follow the syntax for definition of the main function. So look here, this is the syntax for creating a main class. Okay, so the object oriented programming concept, that is nothing but the class. We have to write the keyword class, then class name. This name is nothing but the identifier. This is the identifier, or we can say the any valid name which follow all the rules and regulations of the identifier, that means the variable. So you can give any name like class simple. Okay, so class is a keyword and class name, it is any identifier or a name which is decided by you for this class. Okay, after that this one is a curly brace, so you have put the curly brace as it is. Then public static void main. Public, it is a keyword which is used for scoping our programming. So it is a fact or it is a syntax for writing a main function. Okay, so public, when we write the public keyword, this particular class, the main function become a public because it is a access modifier of main function. Okay, after that you have to write the static because it this main function will share all the objects which is created by earlier classes. That means in the programming structure, just before that particular essential part of the Java program, we found the class definition. Okay, so the class definition, it is nothing but the number of classes we can include in the before of this main class. So basically those the objects of those classes are shareable by the main. That's why it is a static, because the static is a keyword which used for memory location, which initialize the value as a 0. Okay, that means the particular data type or particular function become static and identified by its class name only. After that void. Void is a keyword which is used for which tell us the return type. Okay, like main is a function, but before that we have to write a return type. Here the void is a return type which indicate that the main function does not return anything. So you have to follow all these things. So I write here like public static void main. But in main, as I said, main is a function, so it is indicated by the angular bracket and it having the string argues, that means the string type array. Okay, so the size of that particular array is not defined, as well as its type is string. That means string type of array is a argument or parameter of main function. So it is called as command line argue. This is a variable, but it a array variable, array type of variable whose type is string. So you can write anything here like args, a and all, means valid name for that particular array you can give. But it is called as command line argument. Why it is called as command line argument? Because it is in a main function, means it is a parameter of a main function. That's why it is called as command line argument. So I have to write this string a. Now I replace the variable name of array. So I I can write any valid name of variable, array type of variable, which is a command line argument for the main. Okay. After that, curly brace. In main function, you just write all the program statement, or we can say the body of main function. Means we can write here all the mechanism or manipulation in that particular main function. So if I want to print the hello world in Java, so I have write to system dot out dot print ln in bracket in double quotation mark hello world, so that the system will print the hello world. Okay, that means the body of main function. I just want to print here the particular statement or particular string on the command prompt. So I have to write the system. System, it is nothing but a class, which out is an object and println is a function. That means we are assessing the println function with the help of out object from system class, which is provided by the Java for printing something. So it will print on the command prompt. So system.out.println, it is used for printing something. So this is the first small simple example for Java programming, Java standalone programming. Okay. After that, we have to save that particular program with the name or with the name of that particular class and dot extension. Okay. So save this file by using the class name dot Java extension. So here the class name is simple. So simple.java. We have to save this file by using or giving the name, that is class name simple. Simple.java. After that, we have to compile it by using the JDK tool Java C simple.java. If the compiler doesn't found any syntactical error, then it will shows the command prompt again. After that, we have to execute this by using Java interpreter. Java simple. Okay. So this particular our coded file, and this is nothing but our class file. And this mechanism done by JDK toolkit JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which convert our source code into bytecode and bytecode into intermediate code. Okay. So with the help of JVM, that means the machine code, we execute our file, and the output of this file, it is nothing but the hello world. Okay. This is the simple example of Java program. We can change the body, or we can give the we can understood this is concept with another example. Okay. So string args. So the next example, it is nothing but the create a Java program for adding two number. So for that, we have to create the class like add, because here we are adding two number. So before that, we have to create the variables like int a, b, c. Here integer, it is nothing but a data type which create the variable a, b, c. In integer a which store the integer number, b also storing the integer number, because a, b, c are in the integer data type. So it hold the memory location for storing the integer value which referred by the a, b, c. After that, we have to assign the value to that a. A is equals to 100, like b is equals to 100, then C is equals to A plus B. Okay, here we are assigning the integer value to A and B. So it will store 100, it will also store the 100 because we are assigning this value by using the assignment operator. With the help of assignment operator, we assign this value to the variable, and after that plus operator, we just after by using the plus operator, we just add those particular number. So if I want to print this particular value of C, that is the addition of the C, then I have to use the system dot out dot println addition is double quotation mark, just look like plus sign and then C. Means this plus sign indicate, that means the joining of two string, concatenation of two string, addition and the C, but we write the C after the double quotation mark, so it will print the value. Okay, so this particular joining operator we used when we want to print the value of the variable. Okay, so plus sign we print the value. After that we complete the main function and then class. So we have to save this file by using add. Okay, add.java. After that we have to compile this file by using JavaC toolkit add.java. Then if compiler doesn't found any error, any syntactical error, then it will goes on the execution. So we have to write the Java and then add program name, that is the class name, and it will shows the output like addition is double colon and the value of C will become 200. So likewise we can do many program with the help of assignment operator and with the help of this variable definition. So it is a simple program, or we can say the paradigm of simple program which we design in Java. So this standalone application we create by using this methodology. So it is okay for today. You can try with this particular program with a different arithmetic operator like minus, multiplication, as well as the division and modulus. So keep watching, be understood, be safe. Thank you.